You can turn Bitcoin into cash. What's going on? My name is AJ. I'm part of the marketing team here at Coin Cloud. We are a Bitcoin ATM company or a cryptocurrency kiosk company. And in this video, we're going to show you how to take your cash and turn it into Bitcoin at one of our Coin Cloud kiosks. So today we are here with Claudia, and Claudia has never purchased Bitcoin before. Specifically, she's never purchased Bitcoin at one of our Coin Cloud Bitcoin ATMs. And so today, Claudia is going to make her very first purchase. All right, so we'll start by clicking the start button on the machine. And then you'll want to accept the disclaimer. I accept terms and conditions. And then enter your mobile phone number. And now you're going to get a text message. And you will go ahead and enter that code and click proceed on the screen. And then click buy Bitcoin. And now this is very important because you want to make sure you never send money or Bitcoin to someone that you don't know. So go ahead and click nobody sent me here, continue. All right, and now you go ahead and open up the Coin Cloud wallet app and click on the wallet right up there. Perfect. And then you'll click receive and you'll scan the code right on the little scanner section. Perfect. All right, and now go ahead and insert your dollar right down there. Now we'll go ahead and click I'm done in the bottom right corner. And the coins are being sent. And now we're good. We received $1 Bitcoin. You can click close. And that's it. It's easy. So Claudia, how was your Bitcoin buying experience at the Coin Cloud kiosk?
Super easy.
Awesome, awesome. So you heard it here first, super easy. If you're ready to make your first Bitcoin purchase at a Coin Cloud kiosk, go to coincloudatm.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.